kinds of odds and ends. A Volvo dash. Here's an oddball tool for cranking a strap, I'm gonna guess. That's a windshield wiper, maybe. No, made in Germany. Hey, headlight bulb. Look at that. Beer bottles. Old Coke bottle. There's an old starter. Kind of newer stuff, sort of, late 70s. There's a frame for, I forgot what they call it, to crawl under a car. It's missing the wheels. Argon gas tanks, maybe. Acetylene. Acetylene. Hey, look at that. Oil. Now that's probably radiator filler. There's a daily work order possible. Yeah, here's a crawler, another with wheels. Old school, made out of wood. Pretty old. Muffler tailpipe clamps, pretty large. Old school CB radio. I think that's a punch leather. That one there is for punching leather. Punching holes in leather. Windshield wiper assembly, I believe there. It's pretty big sockets. Yeah, pretty head gasket, pretty large. Old school chainsaw, it looks like. And wait. Gearbox. Shifter. Here's lots of oil filters and air filters in this area. This whole corner. Gears. Fans. Still hanging. I think I'll go around. There's one of these old hanging retracting cord, electric cord, self-retracting acetylene tank. valves, gauges. Never heard of this. Tick. European, maybe? Don't see anything on it. Yeah, one of the first. Oh no, that's pretty. Not too old. Weed eater. I know where the guy lives, Dahlonega, Georgia, the guy that invented the weed eater. Let me see, what is this, a pump gauge? Flow meter, per se. Mechanical flow meter. Chains. A lot of bits, several bits, like I said. Sharpened bits here, possibly. This is, I think it's Vulcan material, it says. No, they're not so much cutting granite for blocks or anything. It's more for, I don't know what this is. They're just cutting granite for gravel. Chop it up. It's for a pellet gun. Oh, it's probably for ram set. Yeah. Rocker arms. Go check out the next building. These ones are pretty neat here. Because they've got it nestled into these huge boulders. Back side, left side, right side. Same with the buildings over there.